Hey everyone, what's going on? This is a dress I recently purchased. It is like a tunic t-shirt swing dress with pockets. I ordered this. It's a cotton dress. It's very, very soft. I ordered this actually because for work I needed a white dress. I was doing a promotion actually for a type of liquor and the new bottle is all white. So my boss asked that I get a dress that will kind of match the bottle. So I was looking online and I found this. It seemed like most of the reviews were very positive and that it fit true to size. So I was interested, and I also love sleeves that like are a little bit cut out where you could see the shoulder like this. I always have this concern though with white dresses or just white clothes in general that they're going to be somewhat see-through, so that made me nervous. So when I did get it in the mail, I noticed that it was like you could see through it like a little bit, so that was something that definitely concerned me. But when I actually tried it on, it really wasn't that bad. And since it's flowy, it's like, don't worry, no one can see your underwear or anything like that. With a white bra, like I wore it with a white bra and I was fine. And it looked so great in photos. I had to take a ton of photos like from my boss to send him, and he texted me and he was like, oh my god, like it looks so great, because it was like me and another girl wearing the same dress and he had nothing but good things to say about it. He's like, wow, it looks like so good on you guys, it looks very elegant. What I like about this is you could dress it up because it's like kind of plain. You could also dress it up with like some cute jewelry and stuff. I wore beige wedges with this. It will also look good with nude heels as well. Really not that see-through. Comes in a bunch of other colors as well. Blue, red, I think I saw it in maybe a green too. So it's plain, it's cute, it's sexy, it's very, very fashionable too. The pockets are the side here, so these kind of fold in. I mean, you could just kind of put your hands in them, and I mean, I don't know what I would really put in here, to be honest. I probably wouldn't even really use the pockets. Maybe you could put like a tissue. Pockets are definitely a good size. I could fit my whole entire hand in there. Yeah, I don't really know what you could put in there. Nothing heavy, because that would definitely weigh it down, but the dress is just so cute. So looks good with like a variety of different things. I got a medium. I'm a size 5'5", about 130 pounds, and it fit me perfectly. It was definitely like, I think it was like right below the knee on me, and it looked great. Me and the other girl, and she's probably a little taller than me. She's probably like 5'7", same weight, I would say, like 135 pounds maybe. It looks really good on her too. So you could definitely dress this up. It's 100% cotton. Got it in the mail. It was, because I ordered it online, it came in like an envelope with bubble wrap, and it was kind of like, it was folded nicely, but it was like very, very wrinkly. So I just ironed this on low, made sure the steam was on, and that definitely took out most of the wrinkles. As you could see, it's like still a little bit wrinkly, but not too bad. So I would definitely wear this with heels just to dress it up a bit. 100% cotton, very, very soft. Makes no noise when you run your fingers down it. It just feels really nice and light. Not too thick and not too thin. It's just right. Definitely like a t-shirt, light t-shirt material, which is good because it was like a hot day, so I didn't feel too uncomfortable. And then this is the back. So pretty much the back is just the same as the front, just a little bit more high cut. And this is nice and flowy around the arms. So it kind of just like shows like the shoulder, a little bit of the back of the arm, shoulder, just kind of shows like a little bit of the top of your arm. I don't see the brand listed inside the dress, like they don't have any tags. You can see it's medium, 95% cotton, 5% spandex, made in China, washed separately, professional dry clean recommended. Flip it over again so you guys could see the front. So it's a women's tunic t-shirt dress, really easy to dress up, but also very casual too. So I hope you guys found the video useful. Thank you for watching.